So this would go up against your Harley Davidson Street Glide. Chieftain Limited. This one has a cam in it. Let's see what else we got going on here. Got this nice chopped trunk, air intake, saddlebag speakers, auxiliary lights. No, satellite lights. Okay. Standard mode. Oh my. That Radley windscreen. Saddle feels grippier. So that's what that little windscreen does for you, huh? You can feel that cam hit, that's for sure. So, who is this bike for? Well, the classic Roadmaster has a full balanced front fender and a different style of outer fairing. So maybe this is more for the person who doesn't want that, right? I like the black background on the gauges. Wonder why that's all wonky. That's where I'm hearing rattle then. Ah, it's got a little shock back there to open up. Not very deep, but serves a purpose. Cute. Just for that little extra storage space, you know? What if you could put a full balance fender on there? One of those bikes is from the demo ride. That can's a bit torquey. The suspension's a little stiffer than the regular Roadmaster. Uh-oh, we got Johnny Law up here. Aw, sweet, they're helping a motorist. Way to go, Murphy Sparrow, that's pretty cool.